What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP. And if you have a backup camera that's in your rearview mirror and you want it to actually go down to your aftermarket radio, then you might want to continue to watch. So to all you newcomers, please welcome to the channel. This is your first time here. Please consider subscribing. These are the type of things we do here at Car Audio Tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. We actually have a 2009 Chevy Silverado with the Bose system. As you can tell, the backup camera is in the rear view mirror, and we are installing a aftermarket radio, so we want to take that image from the rear view mirror and point it down to there. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Now if you have this truck and you want to know how to put an aftermarket radio in, please hit that link over there in the card. I will be doing a separate video for that to show you how to get all this to this point. Alright guys, so the first thing we need is a RCA cable, and the reason we need this is because your factory backup camera has a harness that plugs into your mirror, and we cannot take that harness and plug it into our aftermarket radio. The aftermarket radio needs to see a RCA connection for the video input. So what we want to do is take a RCA and we want to cut it. When you cut the RCA and it looks like this, you just want to strip back some of that jacket and you will see some bare wire and the red wire. Remember, this bare wire is going to the shield, this round part of the RCA, and this positive, the one that has the insulation on it, that is going to go to the tip. So what we did is we spun some wire right here, that way we can extend this RCA. We're going to use this green for the negative and the white for the positive, solder that onto these two, and then we're going to use the other end to tap onto our harness at our rearview mirror, and this will plug into our aftermarket radio. I actually already did a video on how to keep your factory rear cam and hook it up to an aftermarket radio. That link will be in the description, and that card's in the corner. It's a little bit more detailed than this one. We don't have to worry about power from the camera, because since that image is showing up in the rear view mirror, the camera should still get power without us actually touching anything. We just want to take that signal away from one spot and put it to another spot. All right, so we got our wires soldered right here. I'm gonna finish taping this stuff up so we can get it back in the car, get it insulated. If you guys don't know how to solder wires, I actually made a video on how to do that as well, teaching how to solder your CD player wire so you can get the best connection and make it look nice and neat. That video is in the description, card in the corner. Now let's get this wrapped up back inside the car. Alright guys, so we're back here actually behind the rear view mirror. Now I actually have a program that lets me know what my wire colors are, so it's something that I actually pay for, and I know that my wire colors on this 09 Chevy Silverado are gray with the blue stripe and gray with the orange stripe. Gray with the blue stripe is positive, gray with the orange stripe is negative. So I'm going to take my positive side and I'm going to twist it there. Negative, do the same thing on the gray with the orange. I'm going to end up soldering those together just to make sure that I got the best connection after I test to make sure that I actually have the right wires. Now theoretically, if you guys just wanted to split the signal, like actually have it show on the rearview mirror and on the screen, you could do that just by doing like a military splice and tapping into them, but the customer wanted to have it absolutely off of this and onto his radio, so that's what we're doing. And if you guys want to know what wire colors go for your rear cam, I do provide that information on the Patreon page. Those are the people who actually want to support the channel furthermore than just being a subscriber, so I do give out that type of information there. So let's go ahead and get this radio put in, get everything hooked up, and let's check to make sure we got the right wires. All right y'all, so this is the moment of truth. We're gonna go ahead and put it in reverse. Boom. So we put it in reverse. We do have our parking lines on there. Now that is from the radio, so if you don't want those, you can always, let's go home, let's go here, let's go to camera, let's actually take those parking guidelines off. So now when I actually go into reverse, it just shows me straight backup camera. And if you look right here in the rear view mirror, we actually do not see the backup camera image anymore in reverse. It is down here on the screen. If you guys find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. If you want to actually know how to put this radio in yourself, I just got done doing a video on it, so I'll link that stuff for you guys as well. Until then, this is your boy JP signing out. Y'all have a blessed day. Product links in the description, Patreon links in the description for everything that I've used in this video thus far. Peace.